Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys how to make some delicious chicken roll tacos. So in case you guys want to learn how to make this super easy and delicious recipe, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. So for this recipe we're going to need 1 pound of chicken breast, 5 garlic cloves, 2 bay leaves, corn tortillas, 1 white onion, 6 Roma tomatoes, 3 jalapeno peppers, 1 small bunch of cilantro, canola oil, chicken bouillon, oregano, salt, and pepper. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to grab our onion and cut it into 4 pieces. Now we're going to use 1/4 and we're going to boil it with our chicken. Okay, so I already cleaned my chicken. I'm just going to put it in a pot along with the onion and 2 garlic cloves, our 2 bay leaves, salt, and pepper. Now we're just going to add enough water to cover our chicken. And we're going to put in our stove a medium-high heat and let that boil for about 30 minutes. Alrighty, so in a small pot, we're going to add 5 tomatoes, our 3 jalapeños, and we're going to add water. We're going to set them a medium-high heat and let them come to a boil. Alright, so we're just going to let them come to a boil and we're going to know once our tomatoes are done, once they start to peel. Alright guys, so after 15 minutes, your tomatoes and jalapenos should be done. So now we're just going to turn it off. We're going to drain the water and let them cool down. And while we wait, we're going to start to chop our cilantro and onion. So I'm just going to get my little leaves, and you can chop your cilantro with the stems if you want. I like to remove mine and just chop it. Alright, so once we have our cilantro chopped, we're going to grab 1/4 of a white onion and we're going to do the same. So once we have our salsa ready, we're going to add our cilantro and onion. Now if you want to blend the cilantro and the onion together with your tomatoes and jalapenos, that's going to be optional. Okay, so once we have that, we are ready to blend. Alright, so in our blender, we're going to add our jalapenos and tomatoes. We're going to add our 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and 1/4 of a cup of water. So we're gonna blend that until we have a super smooth sauce. Alright, so once everything's smooth, we are ready to add our tomatoes, our onion, and cilantro. Alright, so once our salsa is done, we're going to transfer it. Add the cilantro and onion. Mix it. Now try it for salt, and if you need some salt, you can add more chicken bouillon or just add salt. And this is our salsa for our tacos. Alright, so once we have our salsa, our chicken should be done. So after our chicken is done, we're going to remove it from our pot. And we're going to let it cool down. So while our chicken cools down, we're going to cut our tomato and onion. Alright, so while we wait for our chicken to cool down, we're going to start to cut our tomato and half of the white onion. So just cut into small little cubes. Alright, so once we have our tomatoes, we're going to cut our white onion. Alright, so once we have our onions and tomatoes, we're going to start to work on our chicken. Alright, so we're going to start to shred our chicken. Alright, so once our chicken is nicely shredded, we are ready to cook our chicken with our tomatoes and onion. Alright, so in my frying pan, I'm going to set on medium-high heat. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. And once the heat's up, we're going to add in our tomatoes and onion. Alright, so once that's hot, we're going to add in our tomatoes and onion. And we're going to cook that for 3 minutes. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Just mix it. Alright, so now we're going to add our chicken. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of the chicken broth. So just mix it all together. And we're only going to cook it for a few minutes. And after that, we'll be ready to make our roll tacos. Alrighty, so after that, we are ready to start rolling. Alright, so now I'm going to soften my tortillas by placing them in my frying pan. I'm only going to place them in there for a few seconds, just so that they're easy to roll. So you don't want to toast them. So once you're able to roll them without breaking the tortilla, they are ready to come out of there. So in the same frying pan, I'm going to add my oil. And while I wait for my oil to heat up, I'm going to start rolling my tacos. Alright, so my tortilla. So I'm going to add my chicken mixture. And you can add as much as you like. And then start rolling. And we're just going to repeat the process until you no longer have any chicken left. So once your oil is hot, make sure you have it set at low medium heat. And then when you place them in the oil, make sure that you hold on to them so that they don't unwrap. So now we're just going to fry it until the whole taquito has turned into a golden color. And we're just going to repeat the process until we no longer have any taquitos to fry. Alright guys, so once we're done with our taquitos, I was able to make 20 taquitos, so now we are ready to serve. So now we are ready to serve, and I'm going to serve it with lettuce, tomatoes, queso, cotija, and crema. And of course, our salsa. So use whatever you have in your fridge. Okay, so we're just going to place my taquitos. Oops. Going to add my lettuce, my tomatoes. That's fine. My crema. Queso, cotija. And our delicious salsa. And now we are ready to enjoy. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part. Are you ready? He's been waiting to eat chicken, so finally. Ready? Okay, you can grab it and then I'll hold it, your plate. Grab your taco.
No, I need this. Give me this. I can.
Okay, just, you can eat it when we're done with the taste test. Come on, I'll get your plate. I gotta grab my plate.
Here. I want these.
Okay, ready? Grab this one here. Ready? Cheers.
Cheers.
Take a big bite. Mmm.
Look. 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 Look.
How is it?
Look.
Very good. super delicious. Ready to go sit down? Let's go. Alrighty, and there you have it on how I make super easy and delicious chicken roll tacos. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and if you recreate this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh, no, no. Eres perfecta mujer, de la cabeza a los pies. Tú pasas de mi nivel, tú tienes el piquete. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. De la forma que tú besas, mami, más simétrica que un origami. Eres perfecta.